In this video, I want to show you how to use Loom. It is a great way to share your project or your task with your virtual assistant. So the first thing you want to do is actually go to loom.com, and you can quickly look through some of the stuff here and how they work, but best thing to do is just sign up for a free account. They give you about 100 videos or so, and you don't have to pay a thing until you hit that 100 mark. So what you want to do is sign up for Loom. You can either sign up for using Google or Slack, Apple, or just enter in your email. And from there, you're going to be asked to download the Loom app, and then you can just go ahead and run it. So let's look at Loom now. Okay, so if you have two options, that will show the video of you while you're recording if you choose to do that. If not, then just do the screen only and just make sure you have your microphone so they can get good quality audio, and definitely test it. Test the first video, just try it out real quick, just throw away the video, but just test it, make sure the audio is good, and make sure you're using the microphone if you have one. So also make sure you have a good internet connection, because this relies on basically recording to your local drive, and then from there what happens is as soon as you press end recording or press the stop button over here, then it will just immediately open up in your browser tab and upload the whole thing. So you want to make sure you have good internet, otherwise if the internet cuts out, you're going to be re-recording your video, and that's never fun, recording the second time. So for right now, let's go ahead and start recording, and you will see here I have it set for a pause, that way I can capture anything while it's recording, a 3-second pause, so if there's some kind of thing that's in between I can get ready for it. So that's up to you, but otherwise it'll record immediately. You have three things here on the left side. You have the stop recording, you have the restart, so if you mess up and you're like, you just go ahead and restart it, and that will obviously restart the whole thing. Or if you have a bunch of tabs and windows, you can just pause, which I'll do in a moment. And then, of course, if you just absolutely hate it or you don't like the video or you don't need it, just delete it. And then with the Pro version, you can actually write on the screen as well. So there are the options here. I'm going to go ahead and pause just for a moment. And then what that does is I'm going over here to my other screen, and where I can show you where like a task that can be done. So this one I'll go ahead and record again. And so this is recording. I'm using Snagit to record Loom while I'm watching a Loom video. So that should be kind of fun. Basically, all you need to do is once you're done with the Loom video, you just press stop, and then it will open up a new tab. So I'll show you this at the very end. But for right now, I'm just showing you a video that I've recorded for one of my other virtual assistants to show them how to set up a affiliate program or set up affiliates for different stores that we're working on. So here on Loom, you can actually edit the information whatever you want to name that title there. The little trick I've done is put DEL if I want to delete it, or any type of other things that might reference that particular project. So that way later on I can delete it and clear out my Loom videos. And as far as the project goes, I can play this, but the audio is going to either talk over what I'm doing here or not at all, but it's... All right, so this video is how to add a new store to... So we just kind of walk through this a little bit. This shows, I'm just kind of going through Commission Junction and then showing the different accounts we have and the different stores that we're signing up for, and just the whole process. There's various docs that I might have shared at the same time, and it just kind of walks through everything. So it's a lot easier to show a virtual assistant how you do something than to explain it to them in 3 or 4 bullet points, because they're not going to understand that really quickly. So this is the faster way to do it. You can speak faster. You can see this is a 3-minute video, and if I were to explain this into a regular project task, it would take 10-20 minutes of my time just to get through it. So it's not really worth the effort. So that is how to record a Loom video. We're going to go ahead and pause or stop this recording for the Loom, and you'll see that this was recording while I was recording. And we could just say this is the Loom demo of a Loom demo. And there you go. So that is how to record Loom. And hopefully you can record some really good videos for your virtual assistants. Thank you for listening.